Hey guys, this video is going to be unboxing of 3 of my Ipsy bags. 3 different levels. So the expensive one, the medium one, and then the cheapest one. And I also chose an option where you get like the razor sent to you as well. It literally comes in that cute little bag. You know, it's like waterproof. So it has a handle, 2 like razors, I guess. I don't know what you call it. And then something to hang it in the shower. All right, then this is the bag for May. We have 5 different like usually sample sizes. If you luck out, sometimes you have full size items as well in there. The first thing was this lipstick. It's in the color Sheba or Seba, and then it's by What's Up Beauty. All right, so let's see. Now, if you hear different noises, it's probably Danny playing around upstairs with his friends, so try to ignore it. Hopefully it's not gonna be too loud. All right, so we got that lipstick, which, I mean, it's very nice. I love it. It's like nice and creamy, but it's like not too creamy. So next we have a eye cream, Nutrient C eye cream by Kat Bursky. Then we have the Symbiosis London. And this is the HA plus PG hyaluronic acid plus papaya glycolic extract ultrafine balancing Sabret facial cryo exfoliator. Whoa, that's a long name, but you can see it for yourself. And then so 2 more products right here. We have the Dallas and James Skincare Co. Watermelon Dream Cloud Cream Gel to Water Oil-Free Moisturizer. And finally, the Seraphine Botanicals Diamante Beaming Highlighter. So this is the travel size or like the deluxe size, and it's very nice actually. I'm gonna put a little, although my face is pretty shiny to begin with, do I really need a highlighter? That's it for the cheaper version. Next, we are moving on to the medium one. Let's see what we got there. All right. To start out with, we have the Evioskin Hydrogel Eye Therapy. It comes with 6 packs of under eye patches. I think that's what you call them, which I absolutely love using, especially when there's allergies and I have like under eye bags like crazy. So before I go to work, I usually use them. Anyway, so then that was the first item. The next item, as you can see, and that's like full size. So for the medium one, we do get a lot of full size items, or most of them actually, if not all of them. Then we have the Deep Cleanser with red clay, helps remove excess oil, unclog pores, safe for sensitive skin. So this is by the First Aid Beauty. I'm actually using their toner currently and I really like it. So that, as you can see, full size again. Ooh, Better Than Sex. That's right. I forgot we got that. So this is the Better Than Sex Foreplay, and it's the 24-hour lash primer. Now, initially I was like, oh my god, is this the mascara? But it's not. It's the primer, which apparently more curl, more volume, intensifies the mascara color, and so more length. Okay. That's what it comes as, and just wanted to show you. Wait, is this clear? Oh, it's not. It's actually black. Wait, so is it a mascara or is it not? If you guys know about it, please let me know. Wait, there is a little sheet. Maybe they explain it here. As a first step in your mascara routine, this pitch black lash primer is here to help you max out on volume and length. It doesn't tell you how to use it, but apparently, yeah, it is black in color. So, but it is a primer. It's not like mascara. So then you apply on top of it, you apply your mascara as well. All right, then we have the TFB Trust Fund Beauty That Glow the Cream Highlighter. Oh, golden glow. That's what the packaging looks like. And then, oh, this is the one where it was like, it's so cute and pretty, but I think it's a bit too dark for me currently. So I did not want to like open it up and like use it or test it out because I was gonna include in the giveaway, since you know I'm not gonna use it myself. And then we have the Laura Mercier Paris New York Caviar Stick Eye Color in Bed of Roses. Okay, I actually don't remember if I opened it up or not, so that's here. Now this is probably another one that I'm going to include in the giveaway. I have hooded eyelids, and so usually I don't like to use cream products on my eyelids because I feel like they just don't last as long as my typical like powder products. So I'm gonna include that one in the giveaway as well. All right, finally, the big box. This box is actually picked by Patrick Starr. I think they collabed with him. Now remember I like picked some products out, but I don't know if it's saved. Because I do remember picking other things than what I got, but not all of it. Some of it I actually did get what I wanted. All right, let's go through this. So we have two items by One Size Beauty. One is the Point May Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Pen in the shade 03 Busty Brown. And so this this eyeliner is actually liquid, I believe, right? Did they say? Yeah, it is. And this one, Cheek Clapper 3D Blush Trio. Like, I don't usually go for these pink shades. It has a highlighter blush, cream blush, and then the regular, powder blush. But these colors, I don't think I would go for, which is why I don't want to mess with it, because I do want to give it to somebody else or include it in the giveaway. Okay, next we have the Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream by Fresh. Okay, strengthening Damask Rose, a duo of hyaluronic acid. Oh, cool. Actually, I love masks. Like, I've been so into skincare lately. I'm getting closer and closer to 40, so I really do need to start thinking about, like, optimizing my skincare routine. Just in case you're curious about the consistency. Okay. Got some more products in here. So we have the Green Tea Seed Hyaluronic Cream by Innisfree. Nope, that's another one that has... Oh, I made a mess. Okay. Alright guys, a few more products. So then we have the Bounce Boosting Serum with Collagen plus Peptides. This is by the First Aid Beauty again. Very nice consistency, actually. Next, we have the Dermalectives. This seems very expensive because it is glass bottle, or is it? Yeah, I think it is glass. This is the Dermalectives Elastin Plus Collagen Rejuvenation Purifying Cleansing Gel. Perfect. I definitely need that. Then we have the Professional Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask. Oh, cool. Okay. This is by Benefit. A pore mask by Benefit. Okay. All right. Two more products. Hair and Scalp Recovery Oil Alma Plus Bond Complex. This is by AAV Rani. I do have a serum by them, but I haven't given it a try yet. Let's see. Like, another thing I've been really into is hair care. Been trying to get my hair like restored, from all the dyeing that I did, honestly. It's coming back. This is like my color. This is not dyed at all, not treated. I'm just trying to have it be natural as long as I can before I start to turn gray. All right, the last product we have in here is LYS Beauty Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Duo. Okay, so we have the OG and Lovable, two different colors. One is clear, I think, or like it's orangey looking, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty clear. The other one is opaque. This one, it's actually really pretty. It might go pretty well with this lipstick because it's glossy. You can put it on top. Okay, very nice. Like it. All right, guys, that's it for unboxing of Ipsy of all three different levels. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you later. Bye.